Morning and welcome to San Francisco. I've been waiting for this trip for a long time. In particular, this bike is a fixed gear, flat handlebar gravel bike. It's so rad. But there was a problem. I've got one bike box but two sets of wheels, and that's why I went to competitorcyclist.com to go and buy another wheel box to get the wheels out here. The adventure's just about to start. First through the city, up California, then towards the Marin Headlands for some sweet, sweet gravel.
Ain't this life perfect? I took my time and I got a mind full of spurgeon. Still potty mouth all day, I've been cursing. People look down on me, but that's all surface. I'm surfing with sometimes potty train pissing in.
Riding's going well. So far so good. First ride on the gravel bike. Rolling pretty nice. Gearing. Talk about that later. Didn't get that right. But yeah, Golden Gate. So this bike, definitely a bit of a wild child. So it's a Venture frame set, which I've resprayed to my own custom colours. And then pretty much everything you can buy from competitor cyclists. I've got a Dura-Ace track crank, Panaracer tyres, the Gravel King 38mm, absolutely bomb-proof. Pro bike here, cockpit, Dura-XT, front brake, very happy I've got that actually. San Francisco is so steep. I'm not sure I could totally control the bike without it. Dura-XT, disc brake on the front, another Panaracer 38mm, design bottle cage, and a Repente Saddle. So much fun. It really is. Really, really fun.